The ISUP Paddle Board 10 feet 6 inches kit is an excellent choice for water enthusiasts of all skill levels due to its versatile design and ease of use. Constructed with high-quality military-grade PVC material, this paddleboard is both lightweight and extremely durable, ensuring a long-lasting and reliable experience on the water. Its easy inflation and deflation process, combined with a portable backpack, makes it incredibly convenient to transport and store. Perfect for adventurers on the go. The package comes complete with essential accessories such as a paddle, pump, backpack, foot rope, tail fin, waterproof bag, and repair kit, offering everything you need for a great paddling experience. The paddleboard's sleek design and double-layer rail provide enhanced stiffness and stability, supporting up to 300 pounds, which makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Whether you are exploring calm lakes or catching waves at the seashore, the ISUP Paddleboard offers a thrilling and enjoyable water sport adventure.